Hi, our names are Sahana,
Sunny.
and Thomas.
and we are three idiots with a keyboard. For this hackathon, we created a website called the Glacier Time Machine.
The purpose of this website is to spread awareness of the effects of climate change, highlighting its impact on one of the most magnificent features of the natural world, glaciers. In our website, the user inputs just a year, and then the website shows the predicted size at that time. This causes users to be aware of how glaciers will be affected in their selected time. In another section of the website, we've provided info on climate change and environmental activism. We hope this encourages people to be more aware and willing to act on climate change.
Glaciers all around the world are melting at accelerated rates due to climate change. This causes a rise in sea levels, displacing millions who currently live at or near sea level. All of these harmful effects can be avoided if both corporations and individuals are more aware of and willing to act on climate change.
EasyML plays a huge role in our website. It is the entire backend and is solely responsible for making predictions on glacier size based on user input. Specifically, we used EasyML's model building process to create a predictive model, identify important factors affecting glacier size, to test and find the best model, and finally make predictions. We used EasyML's Authenticate and Predict APIs to transmit the predictions to our front-end code.
We use the languages Python. It's the wrong slide. Okay. We use the languages Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to code the rest of our website. Python was used to receive and process predictions from EasyML. Furthermore, Python's Folium package was used to create an interactive map. HTML CSS was used to display information and receive user input through buttons and text boxes.
Our website inspires users to take control of their future by reducing their carbon footprint. By focusing on glaciers in particular, users can hone in on the devastating effects of climate change from just one angle. Our website also inspires other users to utilize EasyML. Our website is an example of how teens can learn to use machine learning to make impactful models for the future.
Our website uses many languages and parts to create both an easy, user-friendly experience and impactful and accurate predictions. Our backend is also very complex with many steps. Information is first taken from the user input in the HTML file, then sent to a Python file. This Python file makes it easier to interact with EasyML. It sends the user input through APIs to EasyML, which then sends its predictions back to the Python file. Finally, it is sent back to the HTML file for display. Despite this complexity in the backend, the website remains elegant and organized, making for a nice, uncluttered user interface.
The user interface, though organized and easy to digest, contains many features to convey the website's purpose. It contains info on climate change, an interactive map to promote user exploration, easily accessible predictions, and fun digestible graphics.
So this is an example of how a user might use your website. You can display instructions, look at ways that you can reduce your carbon footprint, receive informational facts on how climate change has affected glaciers and what glaciers are. And then finally, we have a map that shows different glaciers across the world. You can click on different markers and view clusters of glaciers as well as their individual names. The feature at the top of our website is the predictive glacier feature, which, as you input a year, gives you back the size of a glacier that's represented through the graphic on the screen. However, currently this part of the code is not working. This is the Python file that is responsible for the code. We are still trying to get it to display the information on the HTML frontend. That would be a future step we take, but all the parts and pieces are currently there.
The Glacier Time Machine is designed with users in mind. Users only need to input a year and they can already access many features. This website is also designed to be aesthetically pleasing and easy to digest.
So, future steps. In the future, we hope to add some enhancements to the Glacier Time Machine. We hope to predict sizes of not just one glacier, which is currently the Wolverine Glacier, but all glaciers displayed on the map. Furthermore, we hope to code the map so that it displays the size of the glaciers in the map itself and not just the graphic. Currently, the Python file is not communicating as we would have liked with the JavaScript file, as can be demonstrated through our video demonstration, and the predictions only display when the user directly runs the Python file. So we hope to fix this to make our project as seamless as possible in the future.
Our project uses EasyML, HTML, CSS, Python, and APIs to allow users to access machine learning-based glacier size predictions, as well as info on climate change. Users need only input a date and can view glacier size predictions through graphics and informative text. Our website promotes users to take interest in environmental activism and be aware of their environmental impact. And despite backend coding, our user interface remains aesthetic and easy to use. Help us end human-caused climate change by believing in Glacier Time Machine. Thank you.